Welcome to this video, where I will guide you on how to stop Candy Crush from selling or sharing your personal information. Many players are unaware that mobile apps often share data with third parties. Understanding how to control your privacy settings is important. First, open the Candy Crush game app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the settings icon. Then, tap on Account and Help. After that, click on My Account. Finally, go to Privacy and Security. Now, choose the option that says Do not sell or share my personal information. Then, turn off Manage Preferences to disable the sharing feature. Finally, scroll down and click Confirm at the bottom to save your changes. By following these steps, you can protect your personal information and have more control over your privacy while enjoying the Candy Crush game. Taking small actions like this helps ensure your gaming experience is safer and more secure. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.